Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and we are still in the hot weather, but it's going to be cool on Sunday, they say. So today is Thursday. It is windy, but it is really hot. So I have this, I'm sorry about the fan pattering along around behind me. Now this is awesome, isn't it? Look at this piece that I've got. It's an envelope been worked with all these beautiful colours and things. Look at that. Thank you so much for this. This is so nice. Let me see. Who am I thanking? Let me see. Kerry Williamson, and she is from South Australia. And you are enough, you radiant beauty. Be kind to yourself. That's very nice a thing to write. Is that referring to me? That'll be kind of you. Thank you so much. Sorry, Kerry. I'm showing everybody your. Look at this. Look at the work on that. That is amazing, that is. And she started out with some text paper underneath there. And she's covered it with tissue maybe. Maybe this the roses might be a bit of tissue paper. I think. Could be, yeah. And then she's just painted it with probably some gesso. Oh, look, there's a picture of a lady on there. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It's a stamp. Had a stamp, or did you draw that? You may have drawn that on there. It could be a very large stamp though. I'm always looking for face stamps. I wonder if that is one. I can't really tell. That's not really good, is it? But I really love the way that you've done this envelope. This is beautiful. I'll be keeping that too in my safe. Okay. Now I've got to get into it without tearing everything to pieces. Oh, look at this. I'm opening it without ripping it. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Thank you so much, Kerry, for the beautiful envelope. That's a good for starting, isn't it? It's beautiful for starting. And get everything out of here. Yes, I did. Isn't that nice? Oh, my goodness me. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? Oh, look at that. That's a dear little piece of paper. Let me see what it is. It says something. It's a little note from Kerry. This piece of material comes from a piece my mother-in-law gave me, and as you are not sure how much, and we are not sure how much longer we have her here, I thought it would be nice to have something of hers used up to bright spot in someone's day. Oh, thank you so much. It's slightly out of measurement, a bit of measurement, but I guess it will be okay for your purpose. I've also included some items that you might be able to use in something. They are all very old. Have a very good time on your anniversary. Thank you so much, Kerry. That is very nice of you to include this piece of material, and I've even probably seen something like this way back. Oh, wow. It is nice, isn't it? Look at that. That is a piece of retro fabric, a very old piece of retro fabric, isn't it? Nice. Oh, dear. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you sharing that with me. That belonged to that nice lady, and I'd like you to thank her for me too. You know, it was very kind of her to let me have this nice piece of fabric that she had in it, and it will be put into something very nice, and I will let you see what it is when I've finished it, okay? And everybody will see a piece of their fabric into something eventually. Can't do it really too quick, but I will get there, I promise. And I do love these little baby things on there. Thank you so much. Oh, and I've got some old paper. Oh, I do love old paper. Look at this music. Oh, thank you. Wow. A pack of cards. Oh, wow, this is cool. And there's Billy Boy has a song too. Wait a minute. And this is my dear mother. Sammy at the GPO. This is neat, isn't it? Oh, I do love this. And I have to put that into something very carefully. And I have this piece here. This must be off the back of the book, or in part of the songbook. Oh, I don't know how old it would be. Still had shillings on it anyway, so it was before this, about the 60s. And this one here is really beaut. Can't speak this language though. I can't understand what it says, but I'm sure it's okay. It's good. So it's out of a dictionary. I'd say, yeah. And it must be from Germany, I suppose. It looks to be a bit. I don't know for sure. It could be anything because I don't understand. And this one here, I can't read it either. But anyway, that doesn't really matter, does it, if I can't read what it says? I'm sure if I studied it, no, that's not going to work. Thank you so much, Kerry. This is beautiful, darling. I love these pieces. They are gorgeous, and I will use them too in what I'm doing. And I really, really appreciate you sending me this. I really do. This fabric is really beautiful, and I love the colours. I do love the colours. Doesn't it go together so nice? It's really hard to explain, but the texture on it's amazing because it's got little ridges in it, and the dear little flowers and the colours, and you know what? Isn't it so nice? Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. Anyway, thank you very much for this, Kerry, and I really do appreciate everybody that sent me something in my challenge. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, darling, and everybody have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.